Hello everybody, I'm Elizaveta from Fethiye. I found an old carpet. I want to save the carpet and give it a second life. We start to remodeling. I cut the carpet into the large pieces. I try to leave large ornaments in the center. Next, I remove the native processing of the edges of the carpet. Additional materials will be required. Inexpensive fabric for household needs. I tear off a strip 20 centimeters wide. I overcast one side of this strip. I overcast the cotton large pieces of fabric. I thread thick-drawn threads into the machine. I sew a zipper to a narrow strip of fabric. I do a decorative stitches to secure the seam allowance. I sew a large piece of fabric to the zip. I want a finished stitch in this place. Now I take the cut parts and I place it on the workpiece. I cut out the back piece. I insert sliders in the zipper. I combine cuts. And I sew around the perimeter. I cut off everything superfluous from the corners. I turn out the pillowcase. I repeat all the 15 times and voila! 16 pillows from my balcony are ready. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it. Love you, bye bye.